Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on Missouri Highway 13 as we enter Lowry City in St. Clair County. Lowry City is where the Ozark Mountains meet the Great Plains. As of 2019, Lowry City had an estimated population of 613. Platted in 1871, the community was named after one Mr. Lowry, the business associate of a first settler. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We enter Henry County, which had a population of 21,792 as of 2018. The county was originally organized as Rivas County in 1834, named for a Virginia senator. However, when Senator Rivas joined the Whig Party, he lost popularity in Missouri, and the county was renamed for Revolutionary War patriot Patrick Henry in 1841. Here, Missouri Highway 52 joins us near the city of Deepwater. The city was laid out in 1885 and takes its name from Deepwater Creek. Deepwater had an estimated population of 413 as of 2019. We crossed Truman Lake, officially the Harry S. Truman Reservoir, built and managed by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. The lake and nearby dam were built in 1954 and originally named for the Kiesinger Bluff immediately north above the dam. In 1970, the dam and reservoir were named for President Harry S. Truman of Missouri. The Harry S. Truman Regional Visitor Center, located on Kiesinger Bluff, contains exhibits about the cultural and natural history of Truman Lake, environmental activities, the construction of the dam, the operation of the powerhouse, and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. A 67-seat theater shows wildlife, history, and water safety videos by request. The observation deck offers views of Truman Lake and part of the Lake of the Ozarks, as well as the dam. We enter the city of Clinton, the county seat of Henry County, with a population of 8,945 as of 2019. Clinton was laid out in 1836. The city was named for New York Governor DeWitt Clinton, a key promoter of the Erie Canal. A post office called Clinton has been in operation since 1850. The downtown square serves as a center for community commerce and public affairs and as a parking lot. It features a central courthouse and numerous shops, stores, and eating facilities. More than 12 churches are found in the community, a few of which predate 1900. Smaller motels are found on the outskirts of town on all sides. The several residential neighborhoods range from directly adjacent to the town square to lying a mile or more away. In terms of wealth, the neighborhoods go from solidly lower income to middle-class ranch house areas to a small affluent borough where larger lawns and brick and Tudor homes predominate. At East Ohio Street, State Highway 7 joins us, and we see the eastern terminus of State Highway 18. Here, the highway turns a bit to the west and we lose Highway 52 from the concurrency. At North 2nd Street, Highway 13 turns off to the north and we continue on Missouri Highway 7, and this is where we end today's video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.